Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now today, I've got something hot and spicy for you. We're gonna make my Thai green edamame burger. Now this burger is totally plant-based, really simple to prepare if you follow these next steps, and is totally delicious. So let's get right down to it. So we have a range of aromatic Thai ingredients, but we start the base for our burger with some Thai sticky rice. So just get this straight onto a gentle heat. And into our pan we're going to add our diced shallots, our garlic, and some chopped green chilli. Cook this down gently, as you want to extract a gentle heat from that chili, which is guaranteed to get your lips tingling. To this, we're going to add some ginger, some lemongrass, and some lime leaf. All the typical aromatic flavours of Thailand. Just to give an extra boost, we're going to add some spinach and coriander. Just cook this out just to extract any additional moisture. You want to take out as much wetness as possible from this burger. So just give your rice a stir as it comes to the boil. Cover and leave to gently simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Now onto our edamame beans. We've just defrosted these, and I'm just going to use this mini food processor to chop these edamame beans into a coarse crumb. And this is going to give a great texture for our burger. So just add some milled flax seeds into those edamame beans. It's just going to suck up any additional moisture. So our sticky rice is just cooked. We'll just get this out onto a flat tray just to cool down. Okay guys, so all our three elements are cool, so it's time to bring them all together. And the reason you've got a good chunky mix is to get some great texture into this burger. So into our edamame beans, we'll just add our spice and spinach mix and the cooled sticky rice. And this is really going to help to bind together all those other ingredients. Form into some patties and set aside. Now we're ready to fry off our burgers. So just gently place them down into the oil. Sear on each side to a beautiful, crisp, golden brown. So now we're ready to assemble. So we have our burger bun with our spiced edamame bean burger. And to really bring that luxurious creaminess of a Thai green curry, we got some coconut yogurt with some lime zest. So here's our Thai green spiced edamame burger. Done. Thanks for watching this video guys, I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, make sure to hit that like button and feel free to leave a comment in the section below. If you hit subscribe, it will make sure you don't miss another video in the series. I will see you next time.